Ano nga ba ang pinagkaiba ng bank versus pag-ibig for housing loan? So pag-uusapan po natin siya ngayon. For pag-ibig, kailangan you have at least 24 months contribution at kailangan maging member ka nila. For bank naman, kahit wala kang savings or current account sa kanila, pwedeng-pwede ka mag-apply for housing loan. The second one, for the loan amount. For pag-ibig, the maximum that you can have is up to 6 million pesos. Sa bank naman, no limit. As long as pasok yung income requirements na hinihingi nila based sa amount na gusto mong i-loan. Number 3, for processing period. Sa pag-ibig, it would take at least 3 to 12 months. It would depend, no, kung magkakaroon kayo ng personal application, meaning kayo maglalakad or yung developer. Pero suggest po namin is yung developer kasi meron na silang direct contact with pag-ibig, kaya mas mabilis ang process. Pero kay bank, since this is a private entity, it would take at least 1 to 3 months, ganun siya kabilis. When it comes to processing fee, syempre meron tayong babayaran na other charges or documentation fee na hinihingi sa atin ng bank or pag-ibig. For pag-ibig, very minimal lang po yan. Pero sa bank, it would take 3% to 4% based sa loan amount. Bibigyan ko na rin kayo ng bonus, no? Meron kasi mga ibang developer na katulad nito ni First na wala ng other charges. Meaning, papasa mo na lang yung mga need na requirements, sila na rin ang magpa-process. No hassle. For the maximum loan term, kay pag-ibig, makakapag-loan sila ng up to 30 years. Pero kay bank, it would take 15 years to 20 years. Pero meron na rin nag-o-offer ng mga bangko na up to 30 years, katulad ni RCBC. Of course, magbe-base pa rin yung maximum loan term depende sa age. Meron kasi tayong age limit na tinatawag. So, for example, kay pag-ibig, maximum age limit ni pag-ibig is up to 70 years old. So, for example, by the time na nag-loan ka is 50 years old ka. 50 minus 70, maximum loan term na mabibigay sa'yo is up to 20 years. Pero kay bangko, usually 60 to 65 ang binibigay nila na maximum age limit. So, ayun lang sa ngayon, no? Pero kung may kakilala kayo na mag-a-apply pa lang for housing loan, pwede nyo pong isend tong video na to give knowledge. Thank you guys!